Are at the RKNA wood shop. Robert's kind enough to be working on my HomePlate project here, my HomePlate desktop PC workstation. And here's a couple of details. 10 feet from left to right across the front there, 3 feet from the front corner back to here, and then a 4-foot section back to here. Proportionately perfect. Only, of course, size bigger than a HomePlate. Wish I had a HomePlate this big when I played baseball. I might have scored a few runs. But anyhow, again, 10 feet across the front, 3 feet back to here, and then 4 feet back to here. What I'm looking for, the only thing that we haven't nailed down yet on this project, no pun intended, is a hinge. Got several ideas. A hinge from here to here, ideally anywhere from 24 to 28 inches would be great. I'm thinking I want a piano hinge, a hinge that is the full length, 24 to 28 inches, anywhere in between there would work. But it's got to be a heavy-duty piano hinge because this piece will flip up and over onto this piece when I want to slide my slim body into the area where my recliner will be. And trust me, this will work. It's been measured out and spec'd out. I'll be sitting in the cockpit of HomePlate with the PC Workstation, keyboard and such up here. Work over here on books or whatever. I got a reference material, and I got 360 to rest my arm up on here with my spine. That's going to be a great asset. And got this work area back here that also doubles as, when I have somebody come into the studio, like this week, Dylan will be in. My laptop will be here. Dylan's laptop will be here. We'll be almost facing each other, working on our project, looking at the main PC screen in the studio. So this table is multifunctional, and it's got several other capabilities other than those. But anyway, your mission, should you decide to accept it, is to try and find and help us find a hinge. Now I may use 3 or 4 regular old wood hinges, but ideally I'd like a solid hinge that would accomplish that. 24 to 28 inches. Got to be heavy duty, got to be strong. Robert and I are both thinking that this corner piece here is about 7 to 8 pounds, somewhere in that area, each side. But again, only this side will flip up and over and lay on that side at times. The thickness of the desk, if that makes a difference, is about 1 inch, I'm going to say. Can I borrow that for a second? I'll double check to be sure. I'm thinking it's right at 1 inch. Is that about right?
Just a little bit over. No.
Almost 1 1/4 inches. So anyway, a good solid inch on the thickness of the wood. And this wood is ash wood from the trees of the Poe homestead in Bettsville, Ohio. That's a whole nother story. But anyway, we got some legs that, unless I choose another source, legs coming from Texas that'll be here in a week or so. And the hinge is the only part that we're still looking for. So I'll leave it at that. And we're here at RKNA Wood Shop. Give me a call if you can help, and give me a call with any ideas, questions, or concerns. See ya!